Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. The kiddos should be back to school from Christmas break. It means the streets are going to be a little more busier in the morning and in the afternoons. Oh. Last night, I prepared a Greek dish called Pastitsio, which is a Greek lasagna. Multiple steps, multiple prep bowls. It was fun. It was a lot of fun to make. It was yummy. It does take some time. You have two sauces you're building in this wonderful little dish. Robert and I were really happy that I only prepared a half recipe, not a full. I did a demo video for this. Please watch it. It's a little longer than the ones I've been doing lately, but I think it's worth it. I really do. So today is going to be a fun day. This recipe actually has 3 recipes in one. Garlic butter shrimp, sautéed veggies, and creamy mashed potatoes. Yeah, this is a fun day because I get to play. I get to play all day long on this thing. So let's get to it. Got some frozen shrimp, 1620s. These are what Winco considers jumbo. I've had really good luck with the Winco shrimp. Some olive oil, some Hungarian paprika, garlic. Got to have garlic with shrimp. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And a couple large russet potatoes. I'll be using heavy whipping cream. The veggies, pretty simple. Red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and broccoli. I'm going to probably add some red onion to this, and probably some shallot or red onion to the shrimp. These are the common items. Kosher salt. I'm starting to use my old pepper grinder. So pepper and butter. A very simple day. I don't have a lot on my schedule today compared to the last few days where I have just been jam-packed. But I love what I do. I really do. I love sharing information and my knowledge with all of you. So, on this Monday, as Mortimer crows outside, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.